in Ohio, Fairfield, Fayette, Locking and Pickaway. Snow accumulation of 4 to 7 inches expected. Snow will continue through the night and into Tuesday morning. Accumulations of 3 to 6 inches will occur through midday Tuesday. Occasional snow showers will then continue through Tuesday night with another inch or 2 possible. Hazardous travel conditions are expected due to reduced visibilities and snow accumulations. Winter storm warning in effect until 6 p.m. this evening. Winter weather advisory in effect from 6 p.m. this evening to 7 a.m. Wednesday. Preparing in Benton counties. The National Weather Service in Charleston has issued a winter storm warning for heavy snow, which is in effect until 6 p.m. this evening. This winter weather advisory for snow is in effect from 6 p.m. this evening to 7 a.m. Wednesday. The winter weather advisory is no longer in effect. Snow accumulations, 4 to 6 inches. This morning into this afternoon. Travel may be difficult at times. Wet snow last night may make place beneath the snow, making the roads that much more treacherous. Visibilities will be limited at times.